Luma AI versus Higgsfield. Which AI video generator is better? Choosing the right AI video generator can transform your content creation without complex editing. Luma AI offers advanced 3D capabilities while Higgsfield focuses on fast, realistic video synthesis. Luma AI and Higgsfield are powerful AI video generators with distinct approaches. Luma AI specializes in 3D scene reconstruction and realistic environment generation, while Higgsfield emphasizes quick, photorealistic video creation using cutting-edge neural rendering techniques. Luma AI is an AI video generator that creates high-fidelity 3D reconstructions from simple video or photo inputs. It works by leveraging neural radiance fields to build detailed spatial environments, allowing users to generate dynamic, multi-angle video content with realistic lighting and textures. Its strength lies in producing immersive visuals that can be rotated and explored, ideal for creators focused on virtual production, architectural visualization, or product demos. However, Luma AI requires more processing power and longer rendering times due to its complex 3D computations. This makes it better suited for users with access to strong hardware or cloud GPU services, and those prioritizing quality and depth over speed. Beginners or those needing quick turnaround videos might find it less accessible. Overall, Luma AI excels in delivering cinematic, interactive video experiences with a focus on spatial realism. Higgsfield is an AI video generator focused on fast, photorealistic video synthesis using advanced neural rendering models. It transforms text prompts or simple inputs into lifelike video clips with impressive detail and motion coherence. The platform emphasizes speed and ease of use, allowing creators to produce high-quality videos without extensive technical knowledge or hardware demands. Higgsfield's strengths include rapid generation times and versatility across various content types like marketing videos, social media clips, or concept visualization. However, it offers less control over 3D spatial dynamics compared to Luma AI, and the output is generally more linear without interactive perspectives. This makes Higgsfield ideal for users who want quick, realistic video content with minimal setup, such as marketers, social media managers, or small studios. Its limitations center on less immersive depth and reliance on neural approximations rather than full 3D reconstructions. Comparing Luma AI and Higgsfield highlights a trade-off between immersive 3D realism and rapid photorealistic video generation. Luma AI excels when your project demands interactive environments, multi-angle views, and high-detail spatial accuracy, but requires more processing resources and time. Higgsfield shines in delivering fast, visually convincing videos with minimal input and hardware needs, perfect for quick marketing or social content. For example, a product demo benefiting from 3D exploration fits Luma AI's strengths, while the social media campaign needing multiple short clips suits Higgsfield's speed. Both use AI neural networks, but differ fundamentally. Luma AI reconstructs true 3D scenes, whereas Higgsfield focuses on efficient 2D video synthesis. Choosing between them depends on your priorities, depth and interactivity versus speed and ease of use. Choose Luma AI if your focus is on detailed, interactive 3D video content and you have the hardware or cloud resources to support advanced rendering. Opt for Higgsfield if you need fast, realistic video generation with minimal setup and hardware demands. It's perfect for marketers and creators seeking quality videos quickly. Both platforms offer unique strengths, so select based on your project's complexity and speed requirements for the best results.